Hi students! Today I'm going to show you how to use Smore. Smore is a great program that allows you to create infographics very easily. This is actually an example of one that I created in my graduate studies, so I've been using it for a long time. And we're going to be using Smore for our exploration projects this week. But keep it in mind because it is also an option for your final project. When we work on the PSA at the end of this unit, you can create a live action PSA or you can use Smore to create an infographic. So this is a great intro to the software. We are just here at the main page, smore.com, and we're going to have you guys sign up. So in your inquiry circles, you'll pick one student to sort of be the host, and you're going to put in that student's name and email, and collectively you'll come up with a password that everyone can remember, so that way each member of the group can access this project. I already have a login, so I'm going to log in really quickly. And this takes you to the main dashboard. You can see this big button right here, Start a Newsletter. If you click on that, you're already on your way to creating an infographic. It's that easy. When you click this button, you'll be prompted to choose the type of presentation you're working on. We're going to select class because this is for a class assignment. And if you've already logged in before, and like me, I've already created a demo project to show you guys. When you're on the dashboard, you're going to look for this button right here, Your Newsletters. That will show you what projects you have started. So I have one project started here. This is just to show you guys. When you create your infographic, you'll see this template that you guys can use to create an infographic. It's very easy to edit text. By clicking on the box, you can change what's written in here. That's the same for all of these boxes. Even though there's this template, it's very customizable. So I can actually click and hold the box and drag and move it around. I can hit this X and remove a box if I want to. I can add photos by clicking on this icon and selecting a file from my computer, or just by dragging it onto that icon. There's a plus sign at the bottom of each of these boxes, and that brings up these buttons. So I could add another text box right there if I'd like to. But it also has some other cool options, like adding audio or video. Those might not already be in the template, so you'd have to add them. The buttons are also at the very bottom here, so you can also do it this way, and then just drag it where you want it to go. Also, on the top right hand side, this is where the themes are. So this is kind of a place where you get to customize it a little bit, and you can pick the theme that you want. It automatically will give you a background and some fonts, but you can choose. So here are other backgrounds that are available within this theme. You're not going to be able to customize each box to have a different theme or color. It's the overall theme. But you can have a little bit of fun with that. Keep in mind, this is in edit mode right now. It's not viewable to anybody else. If I want to submit this or publish it to share with students, I'm going to have to hit Done Editing, and I'll get options for uploading it somewhere or getting a link to share with other students. So this is just a basic overview to get you guys started. I'm going to also do a little demonstration in class. If you have any questions, please ask me. And I'll also be sharing resources on our class Padlet. The Padlet that we have started for this guided inquiry unit will have other tutorials and videos on using Smore. I hope you guys have fun using it and enjoy it.